This video is made possible by Skillshare. Hi guys and welcome to CineBattle, a weekly series where filmmakers Jordy and Janik battle against each other to see who's the better filmmaker. At the end of the video, you can decide who's the best one.
It's me. That's probably me. It's me.
Whatever, we'll see about that. Okay, so for today, I have a special assignment for you guys.
It's a new animation.
Yeah, that's the thing that you've been working on for the entire week.
It's me!
Yeah, this is me. Jordy and Janik, someone is challenging you. Work together and challenge Zach King with your own effects.
Jordy! I told you I didn't want to make this effect. I told you.
I didn't know about this.
Ah!
It says wet paint.
Yeah, this is insane.
It's impossible.
This is impossible. Like, you have to watch this video like a little bit further because it loops, you know, it keeps looping.
Yeah.
But at a certain point, something changes within the loop. We'll leave a link to the original one in the description below. Just check it out because after 2 or 3 loops,
After 2 loops,
he
stops the guy who's walking into the paint. So the loop changes.
Yeah.
But it continues afterwards. So
Yeah.
it's like loopception.
Loopception, exactly.
It's insane.
So we have to work together now?
Yeah, because you guys are huge fans of Zach King's.
Yeah,
that's a known fact, right?
It's a fact.
Okay, so now you guys have to work together and make a cool video with a cool effect to challenge Zach King.
I know effect. We can throw a ball into a tablet and loop it.
Wow.
Oh yeah, we can do that.
We can do that.
We can do that. We're done.
So guys, you have 1 hour to create an effect and challenge Zach King. You can make it really easy or you can make it really difficult.
And the audience have to choose who's the best, Cinecom or Zach King. Can we lose like right now, or do we have to make?
We already lost. We already lost.
All right, let's do this, Janik. We can do it. Let's cooperate. All right, what are we gonna do, Janik?
Probably looping. Maybe do something with the ladder. Ooh, infinite Janik catch. Like you throw the ladder at me, I catch it, I set it aside, you again throw a ladder at me.
Okay, so I throw a ladder at you. You catch it. You set it down. And I come to the ladder where you place it down, I take it again.
And you throw it again.
And it's that infinite loop.
But what if, like, the ladder stands here, you throw it,
Yeah.
I catch it, I walk back in, I place it in the
Yeah, but then it's not really...
No,
that's just too simple.
You go up and then you're like, oh, I forgot something. And you turn, and in that turn, you can do a cut.
Yeah.
And then you're like back here and you're like, oh, I forgot something. Up.
Yeah,
You
but
go-
then it's just a cut. I wonder, how does Zach King comes up with his ideas?
1, he thinks about it like a whole week or a whole month or a whole year, not 1
Hour.
1 hour. And he has like an entire crew making it
Probably.
for him.
We have to do something with masking, like a little bit of post-production.
Viewer, keep in mind, Zach King has like a whole month to make this video. We only have 1 hour. Vote for us.
But we're gonna make it good. We are a team now.
Side note, Team Blue, 3. Team Red, 2.
Yeah, that's why I want to win.
But if we win, we both win.
So while Jordy and Janik are figuring out what to do, I'll give you a better tip. Head over to Skillshare.com. It's an online library full of classes and courses and even workshops where you can learn everything you want. Whether you want to learn something new about filmmaking, audio, animation, or VFX, there's always a course on Skillshare that can help you out. So I want to learn something more about animations in After Effects. And recently I discovered the classes of Jake Bartlett, and they helped me out a lot. He has a lot of courses on different styles of animations, from hand lettering to creating the paper cutout look. And that was one of the courses that I followed. The result of that you saw in the beginning of this video. I showed it to Jordy and Janik together with their assignments for today's CineBattle. The workshops by Jake Bartlett aren't that long, and that's really good, because I don't have a lot of time between editing all of those CineBattles. And that is what makes Skillshare so good. They have long classes and they have short classes. Now if you can't finish your class, no problem. You can always play it back. Did you know that Cinecom also has some classes on Skillshare? That's right. If you want to learn something new about After Effects, Premiere Pro, or filmmaking, then give us a follow. Now let's say that you have a question about something that you saw in the class. Well, no problem. You can just contact the teacher and they'll answer you right away. And because Skillshare is sponsoring today's video, I can give you an exclusive 2 months for free which you can get by clicking in that first link in the description down below. Oh, and by the way, the good thing is, after those 2 months, Skillshare is super cheap. Now let's see if Jordy and Janik already found an idea to beat Zach King.
The thing that Zach King also does is like using fake perspective. You have to start a video here where you turn, then you go to the forced perspective part. Let's do it! You are camera, I'm an actor.
Okay. Shall I take a small paint bucket or a big one? Let's take the big one. We don't have a cabinet. All of these are fixed to the wall.
We're screwed now.
This here. No, we can use this here. Like use these two. And then the paint bucket sits on that thing.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, Janik!
No!
Catch!
No! I hate ladders. Ik heb niks gedaan. Teamwork! Team Blue! Like boom! Super! Super smooth. Okay, come to, yeah, go, little bit.
Come on.
Little bit. Oh, it's too much! Now up, up, up.
Yeah, hang on, Janik.
We have 25 minutes left. We're not gonna make it, guys.
Come on.
Why are we doing more than just a cut? It's already exciting enough, Jordy. We're making it ourselves hard. We only have like 20 minutes left. Abandon this idea. Like this and then like.
Oh, but wait, your entire background changes.
That's what I told you. Your background changes because it's not the same frog perspective.
Oh yeah, that's true.
You know what you can do?
What?
You can do it in the front of a black wall and it never changes. We figured it out. You can use a big green screen everything, use tracking markers on the green screen and place a fake wall on it. Off to the editing room! So I'm the visual effects supervisor now, so I can just sit and watch Jordy do everything.
No, you're gonna do either the keying or the tracking, and I'll do the other thing. What about that?
I'll do the tracking.
Yeah, you'll do the tracking, I'll do the keying.
Yeah. Leave Mocha Pro, start animating it manually. We have like 5 minutes left.
Exactly, you can't animate that manually with
You can
5 minutes.
animate it, you can. Do it! Do the first 10 seconds, you do the second 10 seconds.
No, I do the scale, you do the position.
No.
Yes!
It doesn't work like that.
Yes!
Because
you first do the scale, and then on a pre-comp, I do you do the position, and on a pre-comp, I do the scale.
But your position depends on your scale, and vice versa.
Okay, you know what? Janik, you do it. I'm gonna grab a coffee. You got it saved?
I got it saved. You combine?
Yes, I'm gonna combine, yeah.
And combine everything together.
Got 8, 6, 5,
Wait.
4,
Come on, Jordy.
3,
Jordy,
2,
press Control M.
done! Come on, guys.
Can I press Ctrl M? I haven't done it yet.
Yes, you
Okay, export. There we go.
Okay, now let's jump to the studio. 1, 2, and... So guys, how did it go?
It was quite hard working together.
Yeah, I think because we both have ideas and we need to cooperate to find an idea that we both like.
This time it was a little bit harder because I had the time limit, but it went.
I think the most problems you guys had was with the time management, right?
Yeah, but we managed. We finished it. There was one problem that we couldn't track it, even though we added tracking marks. I mean, we could go into Mocha and all that kind of stuff, but we would just lose too much time. So eventually we had chosen to just animate the background layer separately. You guys will see in just a moment how that looks. But I think
manually.
Completely
manually.
I think that it came out pretty well.
Okay, well, let's have a look then.
Yeah, it's
Here
not
we go.
perfect, but all right, so yeah, this is indeed not Zach King level.
But we only had 1 hour.
1 hour, guys, and I think it looks good. It looks good. It's just not a super great, amazing illusion like Zach King.
He had an entire year. I looked it up.
Yeah. He has an entire year to make a video. We have an entire hour to make a video. All right.
Okay, so Zach King, the challenge is yours now. Recreate this effect in 1 hour.
Yeah, exactly. Guys, can everyone like tweet Zach King or send him a message to tell him about this video?
He needs to see this.
He needs to see this. We want to challenge Zach King and lose very hard.
We want a real CineBattle with Zach King.
Yeah.
He
Zach
makes
King.
one, we make one.
All right, so let's leave it with this. Thank you, Skillshare, for the support.
Thank you guys for watching.
And as always,
Stay creative.
Can you do that? Ah!
what happened? What happened? Did you like pull out armpit hair?
One of my armpit hair was stuck to my shirt. So it pulled like this.
Okay.